doing something right. I like this. Do I have elf ears? Oh, I don't. Oh, I'm sad. It's so amazing how they got this. Just widening your eyes. Oh. That was unpleasant. I widened my eyes too much. I'm having too much fun with this. Oh no, she looks like she's about to cry. No. Why? My pigtails look. It's the Genshin Impact equivalent of Daniel. Whoa. You look so cute. I never actually played Genshin Impact. I'm sorry. It is Genshin Impact, right? Glasses on. Looks so adorable. Aww. Oh no, when you widen your eyes, his eyebrows drop. Maybe they do nothing. No, their eyebrows definitely drop. So sad. Oh, but he's saying hi now. Hello. I'm not really sure what else to do with him. No, watch him not be in a movie. He's just an emo. Whoa. Where'd the music go? There was music with this. The tracking isn't the best, but that's to be expected. It's to be expected. I think out of all of these, this is probably my favorite. It's got really good tracking. It's just so pure. It's really smooth. And I love these avatars. I think they're made by Lolon. Yeah. Great job with these. These are awesome. Whoa. I'm so amazed by what she did. He, she, they. Man, now I want to be a VTuber. Wait, there's a mobile app for that. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Whoa. Not sure exactly how people do this stuff, but I'd love to see more of this on Instagram. Like, just more of these, like, VR avatars. I said avatar instead of just avatar. It's like 9:52 in the morning, and I woke up at 6. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Anyways, that was just me messing around with, like, avatars and stuff. So, yeah, really good job, Lolon. And if you can make more of these, that would be awesome. I'd love to see what you come up with. Hey, that deserves a follow. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna link her, tag her again. Yeah, Check the caption. Maybe I should put this on YouTube. Oh, there's a how-to page. Whoa. Oh, one more thing. I have like literally no Wi-Fi up in my room. So now that I'm up here, the other reel won't upload. God damn it. I'm connected to Wi-Fi at 2 bars of LTE. I have to turn off my Wi-Fi so I can upload this shit. Have a great day.